Call history. Call history reports usage between two date parameters. Click on Call history. Enter the unit number that you wish to investigate. Enter the date that you wish to inquire about, so you can go back as far as you wish. Enter the end date that you wish the report to finish. This can be seen in table format or in graph format. Hit search. Here you will find your serial number, your allocation account reference, postcode, the amount remaining in the tank, the trigger point. The trigger point is when the level of fuel hits the percentage. Capacity is the overall tank capacity, the volume left in the tank, and what is required to fill the tank. Here you can see when the tank last called in and if there's any issues with the unit itself. This can be seen in graph format by clicking Graph and hitting Search. Here you can see there's an issue with the unit by the spikes. This information can be saved and exported to your individual customer by clicking on the floppy disk, and this will transport to you in Excel format